Human papillomavirus. Human papillomavirus, commonly abbreviated HPV, represented in this picmonic as the human puppet virus, is the most commonly sexually transmitted infection in the United States. The papillomavirus is non-enveloped, shown by the nun handing the envelope to the classroom, non-envelope, non-enveloped, and has a circular genome, the circular ring consisting of DNA, shown by the DNA double helix. Like most DNA viruses, except parvovirus, the genome is double-stranded, also shown by the DNA double helix. There are specific strains of HPV, and strains 1, 2, 6, and 11 are associated with warts, depicted by the bar graphs labeled 1, 2, 6, and 11 with warts on them. Specifically, type 6 and 11 cause genital warts, called Condyloma acuminata, the condom cucumber. HPV type 16, shown by the 1 wand and 6 sacs, and 18, the 1 wand and 8 ball, are associated with squamous neoplasia of the anogenital region and can lead to cervical and penile carcinoma, illustrated by the cervix certificate and penis pointer pointing to the 16 and 18 bar graph gnomes in cars. Immunosuppression, like having HIV or AIDS, shown by the AIDS Band-Aid, is associated with the presence of high-risk HPV types like 16 and 18. Individuals who smoke are also more likely to develop high-grade carcinomas as compared to non-smokers, shown by the cigarette in the Band-Aid's mouth. Histologically, HPV causes squamous epithelium to undergo coila changes, represented with the square mice with coils, squamous square mouse, and have pycnotic nuclei surrounded by a clear halo, shown by the pickles with nuclear signs and halos. There is now an HPV vaccine available, shown by the needle syringe.
The human puppet virus is leading the classroom discussion. Today's topic is sexual education. It is very important for young prolific square mice to know how to prevent sexually transmitted diseases. The virus carefully demonstrates how to properly put on a condom on a warty cucumber, while the little white mice with coined tails follow along and practice putting condoms on their little nuclear cucumbers. The human puppet virus holds up a syringe and explains the importance of HPV vaccination to prevent cervical cancer. The puppet's assistant is Band-Aid Man, who points to the board with numbers 16 and 18 car gnomes fighting aggressively with each other. The Band-Aid Man has a special cervical certificate for the best student. Unfortunately, the Band-Aid Man is not a good example for the little mice because he smokes a lot. No worries, though, because the nun has just arrived to replace the Band-Aid Man and set a good example for the students.